Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's video I'm gonna walk you through how to fix login error issues on Quizlet app on your device. So as we know that Quizlet app is #1 enhanced learning platform. It offers personalized quizzes and practice tests, written homework solutions, and AI study tools, and many more. First thing, you need to remember that your device is highly connected to a very stable internet connection so that you do not face any kind of internet error while logging this. And secondly, there might be various updates on any kinds of app. There might be also updates in Quizlet app, so you need to simply open App Store, or if you are an Android user you need to simply open your Play Store. After that, there is the option called search at the very bottom right, and you need to simply search the app Quizlet. After searching the app Quizlet, you need to see that whether any kinds of updates is available on this app or not. If there is any kinds of updates available, you need to simply update your app to fix the login error. And also you can go to your settings on your device and go to general and go to iPhone storage, and you need to search your app Quizlet. And after clicking on the app Quizlet, there you can see the option offload app. You can click that option offload app, and after that there will be the option reinstall app. So you need to simply click on the option reinstall app, which is also highlighted in color blue, and after clicking on that your app will be reinstalled so that you won't face any kind of error while logging your account in this app. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. So if this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.